As 2024 comes to a close, the world has witnessed an eventful year marked by geopolitical tensions, crises, and inspirational moments. Let's take a closer look at 5 major incidents that shaped this year and their anticipated impact on 2025. So, India-Canada diplomatic tensions. This year, relations between India and Canada deteriorated significantly following the assassination of Hardeep Singh Nijjar, a prominent Sikh leader, in June 2023. Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau alleged that the Indian government agents were involved in Nijjar's killing, leading to a series of diplomatic expulsions between the two nations. So, impact in 2024. Diplomatic relations reached a lowest point with both countries expelling senior diplomats. Trade negotiations were stalled, affecting sectors like agriculture and technology. Indian students in Canada faced uncertainty regarding visa policies and post-graduation work opportunities. However, in 2025, Canada is scheduled to hold a federal election on or before October 2025. Given the current political climate, there is a speculation about a potential change in leadership, with Conservative leader Pierre Poilievre leading in polls. A new administration may adopt a different approach to foreign policy, potentially impacting diplomatic relations with India. So the next is Middle East tensions, escalation and crisis. In 2024, the Middle East witnessed some of its most volatile and transformative events, profoundly shaping the region's dynamics. This year was marked by Israel-Iran conflict, the Gaza war, and the assassination of key figures like Hezbollah's Hassan Nasrallah and Hamas' Ismail Haniyeh. Gaza faced severe destruction with thousands killed and displaced as Israeli airstrike targeted key infrastructure and civilian areas. Hospitals and schools became unsafe zones. Meanwhile, in 2025, efforts at peace building and humanitarian aid are expected alongside heightened global attention on energy security and diplomacy. With US President-elect Donald Trump promising an end to the war, the future of the Middle East remains uncertain. Bangladesh political and constitutional crisis. The year 2024 marked a significant constitutional crisis in Bangladesh, fueled by the resurgence of the quota reform movement, escalating protests and political upheaval. Tensions heightened following Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's controversial remark on July 14, referring to the activists as descendants of collaborators, Rajakars. This led to massive nationwide protests, clashes and casualties, including the deaths of individuals like Abu Sayyad and Mir Magdu. The quota reform movement erupted into a nationwide movement against corruption, authoritarianism and economic mismanagement. This eventually led to the unexpected resignation and departure of former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. In 2025, Bangladesh faces rebuilding trust through democratic reform, justice for 2024 victims, economic recovery, and youth empowerment while ensuring fair elections, addressing inequality, and restoring stability amidst social and political changes. Assassination attempt on Trump and election victory. US President-elect Donald Trump survived an assassination attempt during a campaign rally in July. Despite the incident and facing other criticism, he secured a surprising electoral victory, marking his return to the White House. In 2025, Trump's administration will likely face significant challenges in addressing domestic divisions and rebuilding international alliances. India and the US are expected to deepen economic cooperation, emphasizing technology, defense, and energy partnerships. Reducing trade imbalances and enhancing bilateral investments will remain key priorities. Trump, who will succeed Joe Biden on January 2025, is also expected to visit India for Quad Summit. Moreover, as Trump has promised to end wars including Russia-Ukraine, his role in bringing peace in the world will be watched. Diljit Dosanjh Dil Luminati Tour.
Diljit Dosanjh!
Global superstar Diljit Dosanjh.
We dance to the beats of Diljit at Coachella.
The Punjabi superstar Diljit Dosanjh made history at PC Place to more than 54,000 people.
Diljit Dosanjh's world tour in 2024 showcased the global reach of Punjabi music, captivating audience worldwide. Known for electrifying performances and heartfelt lyrics, Diljit captivated audience across continents, connecting global fans to the vibrancy of Punjab. The slogan given by Diljit,
"Aap Punjabi aa gaye!"
has reverberated across the world. Fans eagerly anticipate Diljit's upcoming projects in 2025, including new music and possible another world tour. The influence of the Dilluminati tour is expected to grow, with Punjabi culture gaining more prominence globally. So looking ahead to 2025, the upcoming year holds promises and challenges. Diplomatic efforts will focus on conflict resolution and fostering multilateral cooperation. Economic recovery and technological advancements are expected to accelerate. So as we bid farewell to 2024, the lessons learned and resilience shown promise a transformative and hopeful 2025. So the chapter of 2024 closes, and as another chapter of 2025 starts, we will meet with new energy and hope. You stay tuned to The Savera to get latest updates.